We're clear of L.A. You can unfasten the seatbelts and fly.
Mrs. Coogan, I'd like you to meet Jerry Wallace, my pilot.
If you're the pilot, who's flying the plane?
The co-pilot is very capable.
With this starboard engine, sure sounds quieter, Jerry.
I replaced the turbine bearings in it yesterday. You won't hear a sound out of the Spirit tonight. Maybe just a whisper.
I appreciate that. Thank you, Jerry.
Well, it's your home.
Do you live on the plane?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. If you get tired of a place, you can just fly your house away.
Well, it's like any other mobile home, Mrs. Coogan, only a lot faster. We're about 40 minutes from San Francisco tonight.
Oh, thank you, Jerry.